This video will examine the copy command in the AutoCAD program. One of the most powerful commands in AutoCAD is copy, because you never have to draw anything more than one time. If I wanted to create copies of this rectangle, I could use the copy command. Begin by locating the copy command on the Modify toolbar. After I've selected the command, my crosshairs turn to a pick box indicating that I need to select objects that I want to pick. I select the object that I want to pick and then press Enter to tell the computer that I'm done selecting objects. It asks me for a base point, which is just a point that I want to hold on to while I'm copying the object. In this case, I'll pick the midpoint of this line. Next, it's allowing me to come in here and specify a second point that I want to use to copy my object. And after I pick my first one, you'll see that it allows me to put down as many copies as I want. To complete the command, I can either press Enter or Escape. Now I'm going to undo this. I'm going to show you a different way to use the copy command. Again, I'll come up here to the copy command and select it. It asks me to select the objects that I want to copy, so I'll pick the rectangle again, press Enter. This time it's asking me to pick a base point, so I'll pick the same base point as I picked before. And so everything looks the same here up until this point. Let's say that I want to have several copies of this rectangle all spaced out evenly. What I can do is turn on my ortho, F8, so that it keeps the lines going straight in the direction that I want. Pull the copy in the direction that I want and then type the distance between that I want. This is going to give me the distance from the center of the first one to the center of the second one. So I can say 1, Enter, 2, Enter, 3, Enter, 4, Enter, 5, Enter, and so on. When you're done, you either press Enter or Escape to exit the command.